Ethan and Stu, both small business owners. When choosing a business telephone service, Stu made a hurried decision and chose a legacy phone system. Ethan did research and decided on Momentum's hosted VoIP service. When Stu's business expanded, he dealt with the hassle and expense of upgrading PBX hardware. Ethan's business expanded too, but he was able to quickly add more phone numbers and extensions at an affordable price. Both businesses eventually had mobile employees. Stu's traditional network didn't support the advanced features he needed